Hello everyone, welcome to Macuse Signature Kitchen. Today I'm making a rich and creamy chocolate chip Oreo parfait that is super easy and absolutely irresistible. Let's start with what you'll need. Semi-sweet chocolate, vanilla instant pudding, milk, and vanilla extract. Pour the milk into a saucepan. Next, add vanilla instant pudding. Mix well or until set. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix well until smooth. Then pour your mixture into the chocolate. Mix well until fully combined. Cover with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for about 2.5 hours or until set. Whip the heavy cream until stiff cake form and remove the plastic cover. Add 2 spoonfuls of whipped cream into your chocolate mixer and mix well for a lighter and creamier texture. And don't forget to mix well. Now let's add the Oreos into a Ziploc bag and crush them. Time to have fun. Let's start layering. In a clear cup, begin with the chocolate, add the whipped cream, then the Oreo crumbs. Repeat the layer until your cup is full. And just like that, voila, your chocolate Oreo parfait is ready. Enjoy!